Hi guys, this is Andrew from Effective Electrical. I would like to show today how to connect floor heating thermostat to the wiring. Okay, so the wiring has been already done, everything is installed in this washroom, but the tile guy got wiring is a little bit messed up. So you're just gonna go through this. It's really simple, guys. Nothing to it, but there is a wrong and a right way of doing this. This is the back of your classic thermostat. There's different brands, but they're all pretty much the same at the back, more or less. So as you notice, this says load here, okay, and then it says line here. So line means is the power from the panel, okay. So you see, you'll notice it says L1 L, which is line, and L2 N. So if this is 120 volt, okay, most of the time these days you'll probably be 120, then the neutral, which is N, that's why there is N there, it connects to L2N. This white wire is usually neutral, and the black wire is the line. So line here, neutral here. If it's 120, that doesn't really matter, but no, if it's 120, that's where it goes. It's 240, it doesn't really matter how you connect it, but you still should follow the same color code, okay? Then load is these wires that go into your floor, okay? That's the wires that actually heat the floor, okay? So these wires have to be rated for 120. If you're using 120, then this wire should be rated for 120. If you're using 240, then this wire should be rated for 240. Okay, and then you just connect them again, same 1, 2. This way, it doesn't really matter which way you connect it, just as long as they go to the load side. So line side goes to the panel, that's where your power is, and then load goes to the floor. Okay, not the other way around. Very important. Okay, so there is one more wire. That's your sensor wire. Okay, the sensor wire. This is the sensor wire. There's a little sensor that senses, like it should be somewhere in the middle of the floor here. It senses the temperature of the floor, so the thermostat knows when to turn it off and turn it on. Okay, so here you go. Anywhere you want. It doesn't have to be black, white, whatever. They just go into these two little screws here. That's the terminals for your sensor. You just put them in, tighten them, done. Don't worry about this AB, just worry about CD. That's where it says sensor. Okay, and then you just connect those two and you're done. Okay, that's just wanted to go through this with you. Okay, all right, have a nice day.